connection. So today we're gonna have fun with choose card. We're gonna open some toy surprise with Disney Princess. These 2 iPhones with Easter egg and iPhone. And we're gonna open these 2 Thunderbolts. Let's open this first. The toy. We got dinosaur. But like this is candy now. Eraser and candy.
Wow.
Okay. Super cute connection.
I love it.
This is like jelly beans. Like that.
Also. I love you.
Okay. Candy.
Now, item remaining is 7.
Wait.
Baby. Is
So
it
the toy.
Okay, yay! So now what get from it?
Wait. Let's open the Easter egg.
Back.
Do you want to open what color? This color? Okay. Here's
Are you okay?
I open it.
I open it.
Here. How? Here. Okay. Let's open it. I got Princess Cinderella.
I got Princess Snow White. Wow.
Let's go.
Yes, we go. Wow, it has jelly beans.
I also got jelly beans.
Wow, with sticker. With
I got flyers. Stickers.
Wow. Sticker. Sticker. And it is a fry. Oopsie.
Wait. Okay. I'm gonna open them.
Wow! This is Snow White. Wow, this is together.
Yeah.
Wow.
Don't shout.
Sorry. Wow, fryer. Oh, fryer. Wow, it's jumping too. Wow. Sticker and sticker. Okay. Wow.
I got Princess.
I got. Wow.
I got Princess Snow White. Yeah. So.
Fryer.
And it's the same thing, but the emotional.
Okay.
Here we go.
Cupcake.
Okay. Deluxe Easter egg.
Yay! It's Cinderella. Wow.
Let's see what Princess I got this time.
Something too. More turtles. Flyer.
I got
Wow. Sticker.
Cinderella.
It the baby.
2 jelly biscuits.
Wow! You said it's together. Wow, it's together.
A flyer.
Okay.
It's okay.
Wait, can see the chicken.
Wait.
Look at the back.
Wait to open.
Wait,
it.
wait. Get the back.
The way we're gonna open the iPhone surprise. We have I have Belle and Ariel.
I have an Aurora and Snow White.
So show. Okay, let's open it.
Wow! This is a bread. Fish. What is the baby?
It's 2.
And house.
I got 2 candy and water. Okay.
It gets other bracelet. We get it back. Yeah.
A clock here.
Okay, but what? Wow! With clock.
Ooh, lots of toy here.
Okay.
And candies.
No, it's a Cressaba.
Lolly.
Like that.
What is calculation do? Wait. Well, guys, it's time for now. Thanks, and do you want to know of the princess, Disney princess? And please subscribe to this channel, Disney Fun Toys Collections, and please subscribe to have a good day. Bye.
Bye. We just went. We said that. We said, bye.